Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates for you regarding PhD admission. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So there is a PhD advertisement of Tejpur University for a spring semester for 2021. So here it is written that online application are invited from eligible candidate having valid UGC NET JRF UGC CSIR NET JRF DBT JRF ICAR NET NET ICMR JRF and GATE for admission into PhD program spring semester 2021 in the following department. The department where you will apply for PhD, that is business administration, civil engineering, computer science, cultural studies, electrical engineering, electronics communication, energy environmental science, mechanical engineering, molecular biology and biotech, physics and psychology. Selection will be made through personal interview, which will be conducted online by concerned department. The reservation of seats is also applicable as per Government of India norms. So how you have to apply? You have to apply online by visiting this site www.tejuadmissions.com. I will upload the link in description box where you can directly go through the Tejpur University admission section website. Here you have to after for filling application form you have to pay online application fee, that is 800 for general categories, general OBC and EWS category, and for 400 for SC/ST and PWD category. Payment can be done through debit card or credit card or net banking. These are the important dates. Date of display of online admission form on the website, this is on 8th January. Last date form filling 28th January. Interview will be date of publication of list of applicants eligible for personal interview, that is on 4th February 2021. Interview will be conducted by concerned department from 10 to 11 February. The selected candidate list will be published on 22nd of February. Then payment of fee and provisional admission, it is to be done between 23rd to 25th February 2021. These are the fee structures for PhD in spring semester 2021. Once at the time of admission, this is admission, registration, ID card, convocation, provisional certificate, alumni association. These all are paid one time. Means if you are spending for 5 years in PhD or 4 years, then one time means at the time of admission, these all fee you have to pay it, like full time 500, 150, 50. These all are different categories of fee. This you have to pay it one time. This is for different means for full time hosteler it is different, for full time non hosteler it is different, part time it is different, and Tejpur University employee it's something different. Per semester again there are different fee. In that something security deposit also you have to pay, that will be refunded by college university after completion of your degree. The fee for chemical science, MBBS, FET, environmental science, at the time of admission you have to pay total 25,843, that is for full time non hosteler, and for full time non hosteler it is 16,343, for part time 17,700, and for TU employee it is 16,000. SC/ST candidate are exempted from paying the hostel seat rent of 675. Means SC/ST candidate have not able to they have not make the fee of this 675. After that, consumable charges to be paid by the PhD students admitted in the Department of Chemical Science, MBBS, FET, environmental science. Means it is some different charges like consumable, that is you will find after admission. A student above 30 years of age are not covered in this scheme. If your age is above 30 years, then you will not be eligible for this all the schemes which is made by Tejpur University. These are the research areas of different department. First, for business administration, if you want to apply for PhD in business administration, the required qualification is MBA, MCom, MA, MSc in economics, MA in psychology, social work, cultural studies, MCA, MTM, MTA, FCA. These are different degrees which is required for business administration if you are applying for PhD in that. These are the area of research: financial management, general management, accounting, taxation. These are the different areas on which you have to pursue your PhD. For civil also, they are requiring MTech with 70% marks, or if any BE Tech candidate who is having 75% marks, they want to pursue directly go to PhD, then you have to produce your valid GATE score and minimum 2 recommendation letter from the institute or university from where BE Tech degree you have obtained. Same thing with computer science and engineering. In that also MTech required. MCA candidate can also apply for computer science and engineering PhD. MSc, if you have MSc in computer science or IT, then you can also apply for that. For BE Tech candidate, if you have 75% marks, then you have to produce a valid GATE score for directly pursue PhD after bachelor degree. For that also there are different areas like software defining network, bioinformatics. These are the different areas where you can pursue your PhD in computer science. Likewise, cultural study, they are also asking for MA in humanities or social sciences with uniformly good academic career. You have to produce UGC, JRF, UGC NET or any ACT SET score. That will be given preference, means they will also consider without these scores, but these are getting preference if they are applying. These are the different areas in cultural, popular culture, media and culture. Electrical engineering, they are requiring ME, Tech or MS in electrical, electronics, communication, power system. And if BE Tech candidate want to apply, they have to if they have 75% marks with valid GATE score, they can directly apply for PhD. For the electrical also there are different areas like control system, chaos, water management. Likewise, for electronics communication, they are all requiring ME, Tech, MS engineering, MS in electronics communication. Like MSc in electronics, physics, applied mathematics. If you have these all are degree, then you can directly apply for PhD in electronics communication. BE Tech, same condition, 75% marks with valid GATE score, minimum 2 recommendation letter required from your BE Tech college or university. Likewise, for energy also, they are requiring ME, Tech in energy technology, energy management, energy related engineering and technology. Also there are different areas in energy. You can take the screenshot and read all individual areas accordingly. Then for environmental science also, they are requiring master in any science or applied science engineering discipline with 55% marks. Bachelor degree level, the candidate must have attended science and technology program. There are different areas, you can read about that by taking a screenshot. Mechanical, they are asking ME, Tech, and if BE Tech candidate want to apply, then they have to BE Tech in with 75% mark and valid GATE score, minimum 2 recommendation letter, same here also apply. These are the different areas like material engineering, design optimization, CAD CAM, soft computing. For molecular biology, there are asking master in any branch like physical science, chemical science, mathematical science or agricultural science. And if you have BE Tech candidate want to apply, means if have like allied degree in that, like chemical candidate can apply for that, or BE Tech biotech branch can apply for that. They have to BE Tech with 80% marks and get a score above 90%. MBBS candidate can also apply for that. So these all are different degrees. PhD specialization physics, sociology. They are asking for post graduation and also net score for these physics, sociology. Likewise, it is the end. Like sociology, they are asking for post graduation in sociology, cultural studies, anthropology with a specialization in social anthropology, anthropology, economics, history, and these are the different areas. So so here you can apply. If you have not any GATE score, then there is good opportunity for you. They also provide you fellowship here. So thank you. If the video is good, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.